Hello, good day. Well, for today, we're gonna continue with the topic about factoring, and we're gonna check about how can you factorize a trinomial. Remember, when we talk about trinomial, it's because we have three terms. And here, also, we need to understand when we have a trinomial, the idea about this is when we have a quadratic equation, okay, a quadratic expression. And here also, I mention all this because you're required to put all these conditions on the table and you need to analyze it. You can apply this factoring, but when you have a quadratic trinomial, okay, a quadratic expression and it's a trinomial, also you need to focus about what is the coefficient that you have here, okay? The method that we're going to apply today is going to be about when the coefficient is equals 1, okay? So here the situation, for example, here we have this expression in general way is x² plus bx plus c. So we know that the quadratic term has a coefficient equals 1, okay? So let's gonna check this situation. Now we have x² minus 5x plus 6, and we need to factorize this. So what is the idea here? The idea is you need to find the numbers when you multiply, it's equal to the term that we have until the end of the third term. In this case, it's going to be 6. But also, we need to check that the same numbers, you're going to make the addition, and the result about this addition is going to be the coefficient that we have in the middle. So it's going to be minus 5. So let's gonna think about what numbers, when we multiply, is equal 6, and also when we make the addition, is equals minus 5. So here, for example, it could be minus 2, minus 3, okay? Because when we multiply, minus times minus is going to be positive, and 2 times 3 is going to be 6. And here, when we make the addition, minus and minus 3, because we have the same sign, we are going to have minus 5. So the only thing that you need to do, after you found these numbers, well, the only thing is organize in this way. You're going to put x, you're going to put a parenthesis, and we're going to have x minus 2 and x minus 3, and that's it, okay? That's the way that we can factorize this. Let's gonna solve another one. Is we have x² minus 7x plus 10. So here we have, when you multiply the numbers, equals 10. And also, you need to make the addition about these numbers, and it's going to be equals minus 7. So here, for example, we have two numbers that when we multiply is equals 10, is going to be minus 2, minus 5, okay? Minus times minus, positive. 2 times 5, positive 10, okay? So, and here we have minus 2 and minus 5, so it's going to be minus 7, okay? And we repeat the same situation. So, x minus 2, x minus 5. And that's it. Okay, that's the way that we can factorize. So just remember, if you want to play this method, you're required to have a trinomial, you're required to have a quadratic expression, and the quadratic term must have the coefficient equals 1. Okay, so that's the situation here. Let's gonna stop here and we continue for the next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.